Thank you, Tehzeeb. So very good morning to everyone. First of all, I welcome Shri Suneet Vats, Vice Chairman WIPS, Chairperson Professor Siddharth Mishra, for this orientation session. As we have gathered here to welcome the 20th batch of BAJMC. So you are the 20th batch. There are 17 batches who have already graduated from WIPS. So it is a proud moment for me to stand here and to welcome you all. When we talk about WIPS, WIPS is committed to the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda. It is established with a vision to maintain and promote the excellent centers of education, imparting quality education comparable to the best in the world. And as just Dr. Tehzeeb told, that it is the mission which we carry forward with all the students, with you all, of man-making, character building and nation building, walking on the path of Swami Vivekananda as shown by him. WIPS, as it was created in 2000, it was a vision of our founder chairman, Dr. H.C. Vats. As he stated, WIPS is a nursery for budding professionals and a cradle for intellectual development. Education at WIPS ensures that minds are open, souls are more pure, and led with integrity and veracity. WIPS is known for its faculty, infrastructure, its students, and staff. We have ever encouraging our management of WIPS with Dr. Vats, who is the leading light, our Vice Chairman, Shri Suneet Vats, Shri Ajay Bindal, Shri Vineet Vats, and always supporting admin staff led by Registrar Mr. Dalip, well-qualified faculty and our department with Chairperson Professor Siddharth Mishra mentoring us along the way. BSJMC is committed to excel as a center of intellectual development and learning by providing conducive environment for you all to explore your knowledge and your skills. We are dedicated to produce journalists and media professionals who have inculcated basic human values, are sensitive towards the society, and do the best for their profession. The Department of Journalism and Mass Communication was established in 2002, and probably at that time with around 60 students, and at present we have the student strength of 900. So that is the growth in 20 years. We have around 32 faculty members and staff with, since its inception, since the very first results of the BAJMC, or I would say since 2000, because the department started in 2002, and since 2002, we are the best preferred choice for students amongst the Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University for BAJMC program. We also have the tally of the highest number of gold medals in the university for the course BAJMC. We have 7 gold medals till now. As I talk about the infrastructure, as you are witnessing, it is the beautiful green campus what we have. We have the 3 blocks, Block A, B, and C. You can see the beautiful, the digitally equipped canteen area. The other facilities, all the basic facilities are available, right from photocopy to other whatever requirements. The campus also has the, as I say, the green campus. It has the rain harvesting and solar panels. It is environment-friendly campus. Talking about VSJMC, Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication, the state-of-the-art audio-video studios we have. Some of you must have seen on the 3rd floor. Those who have not seen, they will be working there. They will be making their productions. We have 3-cam setup and the production room well equipped. We have separate audio studio on the 2nd floor of B block, the latest equipment. Also, we have the video editing facilities with the softwares required for our syllabus, the computer labs for design and graphics, new media studies, and other related subjects. The other facilities include the library, the Vivekananda Hall, the conference room, the auditorium, which the students make extensively use of. Talking about the BJMC course, I believe most of you must have seen what is the curriculum and what is the syllabus all about. It is a 3-year degree course and has a semester system with the electives in each semester, which will be briefed to you in the, whenever the faculty interaction will happen, maybe tomorrow. So the faculty will be able to discuss with you all that in detail, and also about the evaluation and the examination system which you will be going through. If we look at the syllabus of BAJMC program, it is a very beautiful syllabus, I would say, and it is the syllabus which has been revised thrice. 3 times it has already been revised, and we have incorporated the latest the subjects which are very important for this stream of journalism and mass communication, and it has almost equal component of theory as well as practical, so that you are able to develop skills. You are able to do various practicals which are involved along with the theory. The classes and sections, again, as I say, there's 300 students will be there in the first year, and you will be divided into 5 sections, 3 first shift and 2 in the second shift. Coming down to the committees or the societies, we have various departmental societies at the department level, which relate to photography, filmmaking, or television, or film appreciation, print appreciation, research committee, etc. As part of that, there are various activities which are conducted, and you can be part of them and bring out the best in you. Apart from the departmental committees, we have the central committees of WIPs. Again, you can become part of those activities and committees and excel and bring out again the best in whatever you possess. We have various activities like the Model United Nations, NSS Club, CSR Club, music, and other societies, Art and Craft Society, the Antarakshar, those students who just now performed. We also have Theatre Society. So you can again be part of all these societies. And for the centralized societies, you all need to communicate and coordinate with Dean Students Welfare WIPs, Dr. Saloni. Talking about the various activities, co-curricular as well as curricular, as I said, it has a lot of practical component in the syllabus. There are a lot of activities which are part of the study. Right from this orientation session to various interactions with the parents also is a regular activity each semester. Then we have seminars, conferences, workshops, conclaves, FDPs, placement drives, exhibitions, industry visits, guest lectures, etc. And as you have taken this admission in WIPS as your first preferred choice, I would say this is because we do a lot of live campaigns with the industry for each subject, right from the advertising to public relations to event management, and also now this year I have started with the development communication. So this is, beyond the syllabus teaching, which helps our students and they do the best. So there are a lot of workshops, also with the collaborations, etc. Talking about the activities, it is, as part of event management lab in the 5th semester, we have a media festival which is organized by the students, which is called Spandan every year, which is again an activity which gives hands-on training to the students and connects them with the industry. So with that objective, the Spandan was organized right from the beginning, and again we have scheduled it on 28th and 29th, the next Monday, Tuesday. You will witness various activities organized as part of Spandan. So when we talk about lot of activities, it is to give hands-on training, and it is for learning by doing. We also have outdoor activities organized for the students, which include the camera exercises, lighting exercises, photography exercises, recording and reporting exercises, film screenings, and live campaigns, as I just told. Apart from that, we have the industry visits. Of course, because of the COVID, in last 1.5 years, we have not been able to organize these industry visits, but I believe that with your session, we will again continue with these, which include the channel visits, outdoor broadcast exercises, printing press visits, book fair visits, and Suraj Kund exercise, which are again wholesome exercise for the media students. Talking about the dignitaries, we have constant flow of dignitaries in WIPS and in VSJMC who address on diverse issues from current to the historical, social, political, economic, technical, as new as artificial intelligence to as old as Vedas. We believe in bridging the gap between the industry and the academia. We organized summer training workshops for students this year and last year because of the COVID situation. The guest lectures, master classes, lecture series, workshops, seminars, conferences are the regular features. Coming down to the placements, every student looks for a placement. What we can ensure from here is that all of you will be so equipped in your professional skills, in your soft skills, in your confidence that you can face any of the media industry, any of the area in which you want to work, and you will excel. Talking about this, we concentrate mainly on 3 areas, which is placement in the industry, higher education, and the startups. So these are the 3 areas where the students are going. Also, I would say that the media landscape in the employment has largely changed. Very few are now going to the mainstream media. Rather, there are various other areas which are open, right from content writing to digital media and the avenues in the sports industry, the entertainment industry, OTT industry, and all these areas. So the new areas, as this topic is an evolving subject, so the new areas and the niche areas are where you will find lot of scope. We have alumni base which is present in almost all the media industries. So when we talk about, every time I tell the batch that this is the course which is a bouquet of, the expertise in various areas. Once you do engineering, you become engineer. Once you do medicine, you become a doctor. But once you do journalism and mass communication, you have so many skills and so many areas open to you that you can enter into diverse fields, diverse areas. This may be, right from the print media to electronic media to radio to television to digital media to public relations to advertising to event management to new media, cyber media, or research. So the films. So there is no dearth, and you can enter into these diverse areas. You can further specialize after graduating from here in different niche areas and do wonders. So we have our alumni who are present in various industry, like in print we have Shubhmoy Sikdar in The Hindu, Kota Mallikarjun in Reuters, Nitesh in Routledge, Shikha in PTI, and Gunjan in PTI, Mohita Nagpal in HT, and Mr. Mayank in Times of India. In radio we have RJ Swati in 93.5, Abbas Haider 93.5, Diksha, Kanika Sood again in 98.3, Garima Jain, Pankit Narang, Naveen, Vinayak, the list may go on. We have also the television anchors, right from Chavi to Ankit Paliwal, Sargam Pant, Gaurav Bhalla, Tahir Abbas, Rahul Subhania, and many others. Lot of students are working wonders in the film industry and bagging lot of awards in the film industry and are present in Bombay, which include Abhay, Mayank Gupta, Mayank Dikshit, Simarjeet, Prince Shadwal, Shashank Walia, Anvesha Gupta, and more. So there is a lot of scope in this course when you do. And to do all this, we have a very well qualified faculty, the expert faculty in all these areas, who will help you and who will guide you at each and every step. At the same time, a few words of caution. The campus has zero tolerance for ragging, sexual harassment, or prohibited products. So do not indulge in all these activities or overtures. You must maintain 75% attendance, which is mandatory. At VSJMC, we go beyond the syllabus and we do lot of additional activities. So please maintain the balance, do the time management, meet the deadlines, maintain discipline, be punctual, enhance your skills, speed, and scale, develop society engagements, do things in yesterday. So as I said, society engagements, that again is a very important part of our teaching. We do a lot of extension activities, and I would ask all of you, because you all must be having some area which is very close to your heart, and you are out of school, now you can start thinking about your neighborhood, your community, your society, and the issues at large. So please think of one area which is close to your heart, start working for that area in which you attribute or contribute to the society in whatever constructive way. Also, please engage with any of the NGOs working in that area, so that with that help you can build your profile and you can also contribute to the society, which will go a long way and which will be the true service to Mother Earth. So this is what I would say. And for doing all this, there is a mantra which I every time tell everybody, that is the extra factor. If you do little extra what others are doing, nothing can stop you. So put little extra, do little extra, and think little extra. So what keeps us going is the trust of the students and parents year after year. I would like to bring to the knowledge of our Vice Chairman sir also, that every year it is the feeling of excitement and trust which keeps us going, is that every year at the time of admission there are so many students who come, or their parents who come, our alumni who come, and they, they say that their brothers or their sisters are going to take admission. So that is the most touching part for me, because this is the trust which they repose into me, or to the whips, or to the department, or to the faculty, or to all of us present here. Because when they come and they say कि हमारे brother को भी यहीं पे admission लेना है, sister को भी लेना है, मेरा cousin यहाँ पे पढ़ रहा है, my younger brother is studying. So this is such a great feeling, and some students of previous batches or parents of previous batches who come and repose that faith in us, which is a big thing, and that is because of all of us here, because of the management, because of the faculty, because of you all students, because it is you who are going into the industry and doing wonders, and the siblings, your youngers in the family, they look up to you and they want to become like you. That is the very big thing I feel, and which is very satisfying. At the same time, it keeps us going, and it keeps us doing more and more. So with this, I would say WIPS will offer you to explore yourselves, exhibit your strengths, overcome your weaknesses, chisel your skills, instill values, and become good human beings. And I would say to keep your hearts open to dreams, for as long as there are dreams, there is hope, and as long as there is hope, there is joy of living. So live meaningfully. Welcome to WIPS. Thank you.